If you're interested in using hypnosis as a tool for manifesting wealth and abundance, it's essential to remember that hypnosis is a highly personalized experience. The following is a script that you can adapt for self-hypnosis or use with a trained hypnotherapist. Before proceeding, ensure that you are in a quiet and comfortable space, free from distractions. Script for manifesting wealth and abundance hypnosis. Induction, relaxation. Begin by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, holding it for a few moments, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this deep breathing 3 times, allowing each breath to relax you more and more. Progressive muscle relaxation. Imagine a warm, soothing light at the top of your head. Allow this light to slowly move down through your body, relaxing and releasing any tension as it goes. Feel your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, and your neck relaxing completely. Now, let the warm light flow down into your shoulders, arms, and hands, relaxing every muscle as it moves. Feel your chest rising and falling with each peaceful breath. Let the light continue down into your back and spine, soothing and releasing all tension. Feel your abdomen and stomach relaxing deeply. Allow the warm light to flow through your hips, thighs, knees, calves, and all the way down to your feet, making you feel completely relaxed and at peace. Creating the visualization. Imagine yourself in a place of abundance and wealth. It could be a beautiful mansion, a beachfront property, or any place that represents wealth and abundance to you. Picture every detail, the colors, the textures, the sounds, and the scents. Affirmations. Begin repeating affirmations related to wealth and abundance. These could be statements like, I am open to receiving wealth and abundance into my life. I attract opportunities for financial success. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am worthy of all the prosperity that comes my way. Visualizing your goals. See yourself achieving your financial goals. Imagine yourself making wise investments, earning more income, or creating successful businesses. Picture these scenarios in great detail, as if they are happening right now. Feeling gratitude. Feel a deep sense of gratitude for the wealth and abundance that is coming into your life. Express gratitude for the opportunities, resources, and financial success you are manifesting. Suggestion for action. Imagine yourself taking inspired and confident actions toward your financial goals. See yourself making decisions that lead to abundance and prosperity. Count up to full awareness. Slowly count from 1 to 5, with each number bringing you closer to full awareness. When you reach 5, open your eyes, feeling fully awake, alert, and ready to take on the world. Remember that hypnosis is a tool for accessing the subconscious mind, so repetition and consistency in using this script can be beneficial. Additionally, it's important to maintain a positive and action-oriented mindset in your daily life to align with your financial goals. If you're new to hypnosis, consider seeking guidance from a trained hypnotherapist for a more personalized experience.